Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about fine haircut ideas. If you have fine or thin hair, you know how tricky it can be. Find a haircut that makes your hair look full and healthy. Don't worry, in this video I will share some amazing haircut ideas and styling tips that are perfect for fine hair. First, let's understand fine hair. Fine hair is delicate and thin in texture. This does not mean it's weak, it just means that it can look flat or lifeless if not cut or styled properly. The right haircut can make a huge difference. It can give your hair volume, movement, and a healthy look. One of the best options for fine hair is layers. Layers are when your hair is cut in different lengths. This adds movement and body to your hair. For fine hair, soft layers at the top or around the face are perfect. They create the illusion of thicker hair, but be careful. Too many long layers can make hair look straggly. Another amazing idea is a bob haircut. A bob can be chin length, shoulder length, or slightly longer. It gives your hair a fuller, thicker look. Bobs work really well with fine hair because the blunt ends make hair look heavier. You can also add a bit of wave or curl to a bob haircut to look lively and stylish. If you are feeling bold, try a pixie cut. Pixie cuts are short and textured and they are perfect for fine hair. A short pixie with some layers or choppy ends can give your hair a lot of volume and style. Pixie cuts are easy to manage and look fresh and modern. Blunt cuts are also excellent for fine hair. In a blunt cut, all hair is cut to the same length. This gives hair a thick, heavy look, which is great for fine that tends to look flat. Blunt cuts can be done at the shoulders, chin, or even longer if you like. Adding face framing layers is another smart idea. These are small layers around your face. They make your face look soft and your hair look full of life. Face framing layers are great for fine hair because they add texture without making hair look thin. Now let's talk about styling. Even the best haircut needs good styling. Use lightweight shampoos and conditioners. Heavy products can weight down fine hair. When blow drying, use a round brush to lift hair at the roots. You can also try volumizing spray or mousses to give your hair a fuller look. Avoid putting